Hello students, welcome to RS Biocorno. Dear students, we have already discussed about the monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross and Mendel's laws of inheritance. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the deviations of Mendel's findings. When experiments on peas were repeated with other traits in other plants, it was found that sometimes the F1 had a phenotype that not resemble with either of the parent or was in between them.
Before starting our lesson, let's have a look on this beautiful flower. Do you know the name of this flower? Yes, it's the Mirabilis jalapa or the four o'clock flower. This flower has great importance in field of cytology and genetics. It was Colquhoun who had first time used this plant for his studies in genetics. Would you recall Colquhoun? Yes, Colquhoun was the German botanist who had rediscovered the Mendel's experiments. तो आज आम जहाँ भी पढ़ा ए 4 o'clock फ्लावर और रंगनी फूल को as an example नहीं कि ही पढ़ा. So what we are going to observe here is that after Mendelism, a few cases were observed where F1 phenotype was intermediate between dominant and recessive phenotype. It means F1 did not resemble either of the two parents and was in between the two. So just look at here. Here is a red color 4 o'clock flower and here is a white color 4 o'clock flower. So when they were crossed in F1 hybrid, a pink color which was a different color flower was found. So it was a deviation to Mendelism. So here are some points of Mendelian findings upon which the deviations were observed. So let's discuss these points. First point is two alleles show interaction in which one is completely dominant. So just recall the law of dominant. Law of dominant रे आमे कौन देखिथिले ना दुईटा प्योर प्लांट रे जितेबेले क्रॉस होउची इन F1 generation जहाँ भी आमर हाइब्रिड्स मिलिले सबुतक गोटे पेरेंट रो कैरेक्टर थिले जहाँ कि आमे कहउथिले डोमिनेंट एंड वन कैरेक्टर of the other parent was suppressed in the F1 generation and again it reappeared in the F2 generation which was called as your recessive. But here some deviations were found. What was that deviation? We will discuss. The next deviation was found in, as Mendel has mentioned that single trait has single gene and single gene contains two alleles, but sometimes it was found that a single gene also contains more than two alleles, which is called as your multiple allelism. Also we will discuss here. So just look at here. एटी कौन अच्छी ना गोटे red flower अच्छी and गोटे white flower अच्छी. So when they will crossed according to your law of dominance in F1 hybrid, this should be one of the either parents. Either it should be red color or should be white color, but it is a different color, that is pink color, which deviates the law of dominance. So it is called the incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. Then let's discuss about the incomplete dominance. So here you just remember the definition of incomplete dominance. So what is incomplete dominance? The expression of the traits of two pure parents as an intermediate condition or fine mixture in F1 hybrids is known as the incomplete dominance. तो कौन बुझिले आम एठू द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ द ट्रेड्स ऑफ टू प्योर प्लांट्स दुईटा प्योर प्लांट रो जहाँ भी एक्सप्रेशन रोचे एक्सप्रेशन कौन कन्फ्यूजन होबनी गोटे रेड रो एक्सप्रेशन रोचे गोटे white रो expression रहउची ओके as an intermediate condition or fine mixture in F1 hybrids तो F1 hybrid जेते बेले होउची सेटा हमरो गोटे intermediate condition द कलर आसुची और intermediate गोटे character आसुची जोडा कि fine mixture of two parents okay that is called as your incomplete dominance and incomplete dominance is also called as the partial dominance or blend dominance or intermediate dominance clear then it is also termed as the mosaic inheritance just term ru buझो partial dominance mean partially dominant टा हमरो partially appear करूची ना red होउची ना white होउची partially red रो था and white रो था मिस जाउछंती जोटा कि हमरो blended हे जाउची सेटा को blended dominance भी कुआ जाउची and intermediate means दीटा अंकर मझिरे रहउची red and white रो मझिरे रहउची that is called as your intermediate dominance and it is also termed as mosaic inheritance then your German botanist Karl Koren had discovered the incomplete dominance just remember it एटा हमर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन बहुत टाइम रे आसुची जे who had discovered the incomplete dominance so it was Karl Koren who had discovered the incomplete dominance clear then एटी गोटे हमर law of dominance आउ incomplete dominance भितरे डिफरेंस दे देछि जोटा तमे भलो से बुझी पारिबो जे व्हाट इज इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस जस्ट सी व्हाट हैपेंस इन केस ऑफ लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस दैट इन लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस हियर is a purple flower and a white flower तो जेते बेले purple flower सहित white flower क्रॉस होची in F1 generation all flowers were purple okay all flowers were purple but here just see when a red flower is crossed with a white flower all flowers were pink flower in F1 generation that means the hybrids were neither of the parents neither red nor white so here is an example of incomplete dominance in Mirabilis Zalava so what happened here when a red flower was crossed with a white flower plant in F1 generation all the hybrids were found as pink color flower then when the gametes of this red color flower and white color flower plant were combined with each other 4 progenies were found in F2 generation among which one was red and 2 were pinks and one was white so the phenotypic ratio was 1:2:1 and the genotypic ratio was 1:2:1 then here is a difference between the law of dominance and incomplete dominance so let's discuss F1 in law of dominance se kon hela na in F1 generation all hybrids were tall that is one of the parents but what happened in case of incomplete dominance that in F1 generation all hybrids were pink that is none of the parent then in law of dominant in F2 generation the phenotypic ratio was 3:1 and the genotypic ratio was 1:2:1 whereas in F2 generation the phenotypic ratio was 1:2:1 and genotypic ratio was also 1:2:1 here the both the genotypic and phenotypic ratio are same so before entering to codominance let's have a look on these three pictures तो कौन देखु जे हमें तीनटा पिक्चर है ना इन फर्स्ट पिक्चर देयर इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ 4 o'clock फ्लावर देखो कौन है जे ना ए फ्लावर रे हाफ अछि रानी कलर और हाफ अछि येलो कलर likewise in the second picture there is also a hen having patches of two colors black and white in the third picture there is also a roan color cow having red color patches on its white body so why such things happen till now we were discussing that crosses where the F1 resembled either of the parent, that was called as dominant, or was in between the two parents, that was called as the incomplete dominance. But here the F1 generation resembles both the parents. तो कौन होचे ना हमें डोमिनेंट केस रे कौन देखिले ना दुईटा पेरेंट भितरु जे कोनोसी गोटे पेरेंट रो कलर आसीबो जोडा कि हमें डोमिनेंट कहउथिले. लाइकवाइज इनकम्प्लीट रे हमें कौन देखुथिले ना दुईटा पेरेंट भितरु क्रॉस हेले हमर F1 जनरेशन ने जो हाइब्रिड टा आस्तला सेटा गोटे डिफरेंट कलर आस्तला जेमिति कि एटी रानी कलर आ येलो कलर भितरे हमर क्रॉस हेले एटा आइदर पिंक आस्तांदा लाइट पिंक और समथिंग डिफरेंट एमती आस्तांदा. बट हियर देयर इज अ complete new character, neither dominant nor incomplete dominance. Here two parents are expressed, that means both are dominant here, which is called as codominance. Next come to the definition of codominance, that besides incomplete dominance certain alleles show codominance. Here in F1 hybrids both the alleles express themselves equally and there is no mixing of the effect of the both alleles. Therefore hybrid progeny or F1 resembles both parents. So codominance is a phenomenon in which two alleles are expressed to an equal degree within an organism. So here is an example of codominance. So when a red color cow is crossed with a white color cow in F1 generation, all the cows were with roan color. That means red color patches on the white body. And when they were again crossed in F1 generation, one cow was red color, two cows were roan color and one was white color. So here the phenotypic ratio was 1:2:1 and genotypic ratio was also 1:2:1. So how many types of dominance we discussed? One was dominant, another was incomplete dominant and next was codominance. So what happened in case of dominant? Here one allele masks the effect of other, whereas in incomplete dominant the dominant alleles does not completely suppress the recessive alleles or it was intermediate the phenotype. And in codominance both the dominant alleles give rise to both phenotypes, that means they express equally. Next come to multiple alleles. So Mendel had proposed that each gene has two contrasting forms, that is alleles. But there are some genes which are having more than two alternative forms or alleles. So how it occurs? Let's discuss. Generally, for each gene there are two alleles. For example, for tall gene there are two alleles, capital T, small t. Likewise, for yellow gene there are two alleles, capital Y, small y. But there are some exceptions for human blood. Human blood has three alleles, that is A, B and O. It occurs due to mutation. So how it occurs? Let's get understand through this diagram. Suppose here is a diagram of a chromosome and here is a gene having two alleles, red and yellow. Okay, and due to mutagens or UV rays, there appeared two more colors, pink and light pink. Okay, so what happened here? गोटे क्रोमोजोम रे गोटे जीन थिला आउ तार गोटे जीन पाई दुईटा आमर थिला एलिलिस, गोटे रेड थिला आ गोटे येलो थिला, बट म्यूटाजेन आउ यूवी रेस पाई एगेन आमर आउ दुईटा कलर एक्स्ट्रा देखेला, गोटे पिंक कलर आ गोटे हला लाइट पिंक कलर। तो एटी कोन हला ना मेंडेल हमर कोन कहिथिले कि गोटे जीन पाई दुईटा दरकार alleles, but here one gene has 4 alleles, that means more than 2 alleles or multiple alleles. So here is an example of human blood group which is an example of multiple allelism. So generally blood group I controls the genes IA, IB, small I or IO. So one gene has 3 alleles, that is IA, IB and small I or IO. So IA and IB are dominant over I. IA and IB are dominant over small I or IU. But IA and IB are codominant. IA and IB, these two are codominant. Okay, and these two are dominant over this. So let's discuss about the possibilities of genotype of human blood. As we know that human blood has 4 phenotypes, that is A, B, AB and O. So when possibilities of genotype will come, there will be the possibilities of genotype, that is for phenotype A there may be IA or IA small I. Then for phenotype B there may be IB and IB or small I. Then for phenotype AB there may be IA, IB and for phenotype O there may be 2 small I. So these are the possible genotypes of human blood. And another thing, don't be confused with this A, B, O, because these are only the alleles. Okay, तो ये चारिटा phenotype पाई आमर केमती different alleles सब देखौची, more than 2 alleles or shows the multiple allelism, तार एटी गोटे example नियाइछि. Okay, so don't be confused. Here is the definition of multiple allelism. Presence of more than 2 alleles for a gene is known as multiple allelism, and the example is human blood group and Drosophila wing. And about human blood group we will discuss detail in another class. So just एटी तुम माने जानो कि multiple allelism रो गोटे example होची human blood group. Okay, so here at the end of the video, here are some practice questions for you. So you just practice these questions. Who discovered incomplete dominance on Mirabilis jalapa, that is Colquhoun? I have already discussed. All the answers of these questions I have already discussed in the video. So if you will go through the video detail, then you can find out the answers easily. So differentiate between incomplete dominance and codominance. Then how many alleles are inherited for one gene? What happens in case of multiple allelism? Then give genotypic ratio of incomplete dominance. Give genotypic ratio of incomplete dominance. Then what is the main cause of the multiple allelism? Give 2 examples of multiple allelism. Then last question, what are the phenotypes of human blood group?
Lastly, thanks for watching the video, and if you found the video useful, then don't forget to share the video with your friends and like and subscribe.